Integration. Integration is the same meaning of antiderivative. Antiderivative is the reverse relation of derivative. From dy over dx, function y equal to fx can be obtained by reverse of differentiation process. That is integration. The basic formula for the integration is integrate ax to the power of n dx equal to ax to the power of n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 n plus c. Integration split into two cases. The first one is infinite integral, and the second one is definite integral. The difference between infinite integral and definite integral is definite integral has the limit a to b, and indefinite integral does not have limit. Okay, let's move to integration by substitution. If the integral is in the basic form, we can just simply write the answer. But in certain cases, we cannot just simplify the answer. The example for this case is the integral is not in basic form. The integral is involving the power of sine and cos. The integral contains expression of the form. The integral contains rational function, and the last one, the integral is the product of two functions.
Video, we're gonna focus on integration by using the substitution technique. So let's start with indefinite integral. For the first example, integral cos phi x dx. By using substitution, first step, let u equal to phi x. Next step, kita perlu cari nilai dx. So kita perlu differentiate nilai phi x untuk dapatkan nilai dx. So du over dx is equal to 5, du is equal to 5 dx. So dx is equal to du over 5. Next step, gantikan nilai 5x dengan u variable dan juga gantikan nilai dx. Seterusnya, pindahkan 1 over 5 as the constant to the left of the integral sign. So 1 over 5 integral cos u du. Next step, kita perlu integrate nilai cos u du, dan kita akan dapat 1 over 5 sin u plus c. Last step, gantikan u dengan nilai asal. So the final answer is 1 over 5 sin 5x plus c. Okay, for the next example, integral 3 minus x to the power of 3 dx. By using u substitution, let u is equal to 3 minus x. Next step, kita perlu cari nilai dx. So, kita kena differentiate nilai 3 minus x. So, du over dx is equal to negative 1. Du is equal to negative dx. So, dx is equal to negative du. Next step, gantikan nilai 3 minus x dengan u variable dan juga gantikan nilai dx. So the next step, pindahkan negative 1 as the constant to the left of the integral sign. So kita akan dapat negative 1 integral u to the power of 3 du. So kita perlu integrate nilai u. So kita akan dapat negative u to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Last step, gantikan nilai u dengan nilai asal. So for the final answer is negative 3 minus x to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Okay, for the next example, we have integral 7x times e to the power of x square. So first kali kita perlu identify which one that have higher degree. Jadi kita pilih x square as u since it have higher degree than x. So u is equal to x square. Next step, kita perlu cari nilai dx. So du over dx is equal to 2x. Du is equal to 2x dx. So dx is equal to du over 2x. The next step, kita perlu gantikan nilai x square dengan u variable dan juga gantikan nilai dx. So kita akan dapat integral 7x times e to the power of u du over 2x. Okay, for the next step, kita boleh tengok yang x variable we can easily simplify it. So kita akan dapat integral 7 times e to the power of u du over 2. Okay, for the next step, kita boleh tengok yang 7 over 2 as the constant. So replace them to the left of the integral sign. So kita akan dapat 7 over 2 integral e to the power of u du. So kita akan integrate e to the power of u dan kita akan dapat 7 over 2 times e to the power of u plus c. Dan last sekali, gantikan nilai u dengan nilai asal. So kita akan dapat final answer 7 over 2 times e to the power of x square plus c.
Let's see some of the example question for infinite integral cases. This time we have to solve the equation integrate 3x minus 2 to the power of 3 dx. For this type of question, we have to use u substitution. Substitute u equal to 3x minus 2. Then we have to differentiate 3x minus 2 equal to 3. We leave dx for the final answer equal to du over 3. For the next step, we substitute 3x minus 2 to the power of 3 dx to u to the power of 3 du over 3. we move 1 over 3 to the front for us to easy calculate integrate u to the power of 3 du. Then we integrate u to the power of 3 du equal to u to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Then we calculate 1 over 3 times with u to the power of 4 over 4 plus c. Then we got the answer 1 over 12 u to the power of 4 plus c. For the final answer, we have to substitute back u to 3x minus 2. For the final answer will be 1 over 12 times with 3x minus 2 to the power of 4 plus c. For the next example, we have to solve question integrate 5 divide by 2t minus 5 dt. We use u substitution. Let u equal to 2t minus 5 and then we differentiate 2t minus 5 equal to 2. We leave dt for the final answer equal to du over 2. Next step, we substitute 5 divided by 2t minus 5 dt equal to 5 over u times with du over 2. Then we simplify 5 over u times with du over 2 equal to 5 over 2 integrate 1 over u du. Then we integrate 1 over u du equal to ln of u plus c. The answer will be 5 over u ln over u plus c. Then we substitute back 2t minus 5 and the final answer will be 5 over 2 ln of 2t minus 5 plus c. Let's move to the next example. The question is integrate sine to the power of 3x multiply cos to the power of 2x dx. First of all, we split sine to the power of 3x multiply cos to the power of 2x equal sine to the power of 2x multiply cos to the power of 2x multiply sine x. Then we use trigonometry identity. Sine to the power of 2x is equal 1 minus cos to the power of 2x. The question will be integrate 1 minus cos to the power of 2x multiply cos to the power of 2x multiply sine x dx. Then we use u substitution. Let u equal to cos x. Then we differentiate cos x equal to negative sine x. We leave du for the final answer equal to negative sine x dx. For the next step, we substitute 1 minus cos to the power of 2x multiply cos to the power of 2x multiply sine x dx equal 1 minus 2 to the power 1 minus negative u to the power of 2 multiply u to the power of 2 multiply negative u. We move negative sign to the front because it makes easy for us to integrate the equation. Then we integrate 1 minus negative u to the power of 2 multiply u to the power of 2 du. The answer will be negative u to the power of 3 over 3 minus u to the power of 5 over 5 plus c. Then we substitute back cos x. The final answer will be negative cos to the power of 3x over 3 minus cos to the power of 5x minus 5 plus c.
So the task that we are chosen is to evaluating the finite integral by substitution. Okay, so I will show the both integral which is definite and indefinite integral by using substitution. Okay, first we will check out the definite first. Okay, so let's see the question. The question is integrate 1 to 2 3 plus x to the power of 10 dx. So we can see here the power is just way too big. Okay, mana kalau kuasanya sekadar 2, 3 we can just expand, but which is when it's involved the power is greater, bigger, as you can see here power of 10. Same goes to power of 20, 100, 1000 maybe. So it's not necessary, it's not compatible if we just expand it. It's take way too long time, so we can just use this u. Okay, so here we're using the u substitution. Let u equal to 3 plus x. Okay, so here we took 3 plus x and let it become a u. So next we just find du over dx. So here we can see that du over dx is equal to 1. So the du is equal to dx. Okay, so integrate 1 to 2 3 plus x to the power of 10 dx is equal to integrate 1 to 2 u to the power of 10 du. So here we need to integrate this part, which means integrate 1 to 2 u to the power of 10 du. So we are using the formula of integration, which means x to the power of n plus 1 is over n plus 1. So here we got u to the power of 11 over 11, 2 to 1. Okay, so here we need to evaluate the value. So first we must substitute u in the term of x. Ambil balik dia punya x, dia punya u tadi tu, kita let u. Okay, so the u from before is 3 plus x, so we just substitute it in our new expression, which means so it's become 3 plus x to the power of 11 over 11, 2 to 1. Okay, so here we evaluate. So we put, so the evaluate is conduct the substance, tolak, dia tolak. Jadi yang atas tolak yang bawah, kita gantikan dulu nilai x dengan yang atas, tolak dengan nilai x yang kita ganti dekat bawah. So kita tengok kat sini 3 plus 2 to the power of 11 over 11 minus 3 plus 1 to the power of 11 over 11. Okay, substitute it with the value given. So here we got the answer. 4x 4882812 over 11 minus 4194304 over 11. So we got the answer. Here is the answer. 44633x to 1 over 11, or in its decimal term 4.57620.0909. Okay. So next we will moving to the second question, which is an indefinite integral. So let's see this question. So the question is integrate tangent square 3x dx. So we got a trigonometric problem. So here we can use the U substitution. By using the U substitution, okay, let U is equal to 3x. So we make the 3x as a become a U as a U. So we will find the du over dx is equal to 3. So after that, we will get dx is equal to 1 over 3 du. So integrate tangent square 3x dx is equal to integrate tangent square u over 3 du. So here, by using the constant factor rule, we can take the 1 over 3 and put it in the front. Kita letak kat depan, menggunakan constant factor rule, kita boleh letak 1/3 kat depan. Okay, so it will become 1 over 3 integrate tangent square u du. Okay, by using the constant factor rule. So here, the tangent square x is by using the Pythagorean identities. Tangent square x is equal to secant square x minus 1. So we replace it and put in our expression. So it becomes 1 over 3 integrate secant square u minus 1 du. Okay, by using the Pythagorean identities. So here, to make it easy, we integrate by part. So first we integrate the secant square u first, and then we integrate the 1 du. Okay, so here 1 over 3 integrate secant square u minus integrate 1 du. So here we will get 1 over 3 integrate secant square u, we will get the 10u, and integrate 1 du, we will get u. So we put it 1 over 3 will become the tangent u minus u over 3. We put back the 3 in our expression over 3. So next we will masukkan balik nilai, substitute the nilai u tadi yang kita ambil tadi, iaitu 3x, letakkan balik dalam kita punya expression ni. Tangent 3x minus 3x equal over 3. Okay. So because it is an indefinite integral, so we must add a constant. The constant here is c, so the final answer is tangent 3x minus 3x over 3 plus c.
Okey, untuk contoh soalan yang pertama, diberi soalan integrate 1 to 2 2x over 1 plus x square to the power of 3 dx. Okey, untuk soalan ni kita guna u substitution, di mana kita gantikan u sama dengan 1 plus x square. Okey, kemudian kita kena cari dia punya differentiate of u, iaitu du over dx. Kita akan dapat 2x. Kemudian kita cari dia punya nilai dx. Kita akan dapat dx equal to du over 2x. Okey, kita teruskan, di mana kita gantikan terus 1 tambah x square kepada u. Jadi integrate 1 to 2 2x over u to the power of 3 dx. Untuk seterusnya, kita gantikan nilai dx tadi kepada du over 2x, dan kita boleh simplifykan 2x dengan 2x. Kita akan dapat 1 over u to the power of 3 du, dan kita boleh tukar 1 per u plus 3 kepada u to the power of negative 3. So kita akan dapat u to the power of negative 3 du, dan kita boleh integrate macam biasa, u to the power of negative 3 plus 1. So kita akan dapat u to the power of negative 2 over negative 2. evaluate from 1 to 2. So kita gantikan balik nilai u tadi kepada 1 tambah x square. So akan dapat 1 tambah x square to the power of negative 2 divided by negative 2. Okay, so kita calculate, kita gantikan nilai x dengan 2 dan 1, jadi kita tolak. So jawapan akhir kita akan dapat 21/200. Okey, untuk contoh soalan yang seterusnya, diberi soalan integrate 0 to 4 2x multiplied by square root of 16 minus x square dx. Kita gunakan u substitution. Kita akan gantikan u dengan 16 tolak x square dan kita akan cari dia punya differentiate of u. Kita akan dapat negative 2x. Kemudian cari nilai dx. Kita akan dapat dx sama dengan negative du over 2x. Dan kita gantikan terus 16 tolak x square dengan u. Dan kita tukarkan square root of u kepada u to the power of 1/2. Kemudian kita tukarkan dx pada jawapan dx tadi, iaitu dx sama dengan negative du over 2x. Di sini kita boleh simplifikan 2x dengan 2x and then negative 1 kita bawa ke depan. So bila dah dapat macam ni, kita dah boleh integrate. So u to the power of 1/2 plus 1 akan dapat u to the power of 3 over 2 divided by 3 over 2. Evaluate from 0 to 4. So next step, kita gantikan balik nilai u tadi kepada 16 tolak x square. So kita akan dapat 16 tolak x square to the power of 3 over 2. So kita calculate, gantikan nilai x dengan 4 dan 0. Kita tolak. Dan kita akan dapat jawapan last 128/3. Okey, untuk contoh soalan seterusnya, kita ada soalan trigo function integrate 1 to 2 8 cos 4x dx. Untuk soalan ni kita gunakan u substitution, di mana kita gantikan u equal to 4x and then kita kena cari dia punya differentiate of u, iaitu du over dx equal to 4 and then kita kena cari dia punya nilai dx. Kita akan dapat du over 4. So kita gantikan 4x dengan u and then kita replacekan nilai dx dengan du over 4. Seterusnya kita boleh simplifikan 4 dan 8. So 2 kita boleh bawa ke depan. So kita akan dapat nilai integrate of cos u equal to sin u. Untuk next step, kita gantikan balik nilai u kepada 4x and then kita gantikan x kepada 2 dan 1. So kita boleh calculate. So jawapan akhir kita akan dapat 3.4923.